Should I intro in with you? Oh, look at you so hard at work though. What are you doing here? What's up? What is that?
Put a filter on this.
I can't filter.
Ugly?
Yeah, I was gonna say it, but I was like, you know what? I've been pretty mean. I'm gonna let it go.
I am wrapping my Coilovers.
Okay, but where are we?
We are in my best friend's shop.
Why are you trying to hide your face?
Because I look so ugly. I have like a sweat stash.
That's fine, dude.
And you're like in my face.
Dude, you think the horny guys on the internet are gonna give a fuck? They're like, bro, come on.
Okay, so this is me and my best friend's shop.
You gotta talk to the mic. Yeah, no, say it again. But you have to talk to the mic. The mic won't pick you.
Alright, so this is me and my best friend's shop, KleenKustoms. We do wrap tins for piece of shit cars, for great cars. You gotta pan to the good cars.
Okay.
We do marine wraps, anything.
So you wrap Challengers?
Even boats.
But it's called KleenKustoms, but it's a bunch of stuff on the floor and it's kind of dirty.
Yeah, because you're here.
Wow, that was okay. What's going on, Noir gang? Welcome back to another video. But today I'm just chilling with Dani, Shayan, and with Ralphie. Why do I call him Ralphie? Because like, have we made it to that term yet or no?
Everybody calls him Ralphie.
Oh, okay. And with Ralphie at KleenKustoms. So Shayan did a little something with his car, which is he actually moved it. Surprise! I know, right? But yeah, look, it's here. Dude, they haven't seen your car. Oh no, we don't drink and drive. That's terrible. We haven't seen his car since the meet, right? Like, wow, you're drinking?
No.
And with my car, it's about that time where we need to restore the headlights and get a black housing. I would trade you right now.
$1,000. Those are OEM blacks from Nismo.
We can do that for you.
OEM blacks from Nismo. Part number BG Penis 17.
Forget this guy, don't listen to him. So we're gonna get started now on the Nismo. Dude,
oh God!
Bumper, bro, you fucking asshole! God, Jesus. So as you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see, my headlights are actually super cloudy.
Why don't you show them under your hood versus under my hood?
What do you mean? It looks great.
Yours is as dirty as Hialeah.
Because I don't clean under the hood. There's literally no point. I don't see the point of detailing your engine.
All that dirt in there slows you down. Immaculate.
Yeah, but where do you hide the nitrous?
There is none.
Oh yeah. That's what you're known for, right? Hiding nitrous?
No, that's Rick.
Oh, damn. Oof. But wait, we're gonna get started on my car because I don't believe him. This guy, yo, Shayan, he's drunk, fam. What's the key to success to fix the cloudy headlights?
Big noses and rap.
No. And what? It starts with a W. You've been saying it for like 3 hours straight.
Wax.
There we go. This guy is like, oh, bro, if I had wax, I can make these look new again. Well, go, Trump. Make my headlights great again.
Okay. Just edit this out because I gotta do one step before.
Oh, okay. Well, we gotta put that little cream shit on there first.
We gotta put a little cream on it.
Yeah, whip it up. Oh, Alright, okay, so we're gonna get this process started and she's gonna keep working on her car. I made one joke.
And she has to make her brake calipers orange so people see her at the meets and watch out.
One joke, and I said that she doesn't work on her own car. And here she is, proving a point.
Look down.
Hey, little guy.
Oh, yeah. Look at these bitches. Stop. Okay. I was kidding. They're not bitches. They're beautiful dogs.
That's the creatures.
They're rats. Dude, you're skipping the process, bro. You're supposed to put it on the rag, Shayan.
It doesn't say that.
Yes, it literally does.
Here's a rag.
Oh, okay, but that's not
Hold on, ready? On the rag.
Dude, you're gonna get it on my paint.
Because your paint is so immaculate already.
Well, my paint's a lot better than yours. And look, you're jizzing all on the side. Oh my God, bro. You know, I didn't ask him to do this. Oh, it does look better though. Look at that. You can tell on camera too. Wow. Look, my headlights look new. Whoa, Shayan. You big strong man.
It's all these intakes.
Who do you think installed it, bro?
You?
No.
I'm
And?
gonna go get a haircut.
Who else?
Did you trim this here?
Yeah.
No. Who do you think trimmed it, bro?
Victor.
No.
Because you forgot it.
It's our beautiful little black friend.
Heaven?
No, man. Carl.
This is the worst job I've seen in my life. Dude, it's gonna cut your plastic. It's gonna cut through those soon. What about here? Did he at least? Just so you know, it's gonna rub on. If there's nothing protecting the AC line, so these intakes will eat through it eventually. Damn it, Carl! And he forgot the bolt that goes to that.
Nice.
I'm not sure how these came out. not exactly. I think it was one tab poppet here, undo it there.
And it was this one
Here.
and then on there.
So these are, I believe.
You guys don't happen to have a Sawzall, do you?
A what?
Okay. So, well, now the bumper's off. We're just gonna do the quick trade. Nismo bumper. Well, you're not a Nismo bumper. Wait, Now the Nismo bumper is off. Oh. Now the Nismo bumper is off. And go. Hey. Hey, why are you right? See, this is why Chihuahuas are tough, bro, because they're just scared all the time.
Yeah, watch your leg.
Okay. Before she kills me about her dogs, and now Cheyenne's going into the tech mode because he sees how ghetto my car is. Look what this guy has to do, bro. Look at what tool are you using to take off the bolt right now? Oh, handy dandy 50s wrench, right?
Chrome vanadium.
Nice. We got one headlight off, and when I say we, it was mostly Cheyenne. Because you had me jack up the Mustang. I didn't even.
Can you take the wheel off?
The wheel? No. You think I'm gonna take the wheel off before like we lift it off the ground? You should have did that.
I can't do that.
Yeah, you can. You're a woman. You're equal rights, right? You can do
Yeah,
it.
but I don't go to the gym. Have you seen these fucking spaghetti arms?
Yeah, they're full of tattoos, which means you're burly. What? It's true. That means you're strong. What? What? Am I wrong? Look, he's laughing.
Because burly in tobacco means strong too.
Yeah, see? This means you're strong. You're forte.
Fuerte?
Oh, is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
You're forte.
Maduro.
Oh.
Mature.
Danzo Kuduro, Nick. You're good, bro.
Help me take off the tire. Just help me. I'll do it, but just help me.
You already know you're gonna do it.
No, I'm not. I'm really not.
I'll do it.
If Cheyenne helps me, I'll help break the butts
Take this
off.
off first.
You're not gonna break it off, I promise. Look, see, I'm proud that you're trying. You know what?
Oh, no,
look,
I was actually
let's
gonna give
go.
it to you.
Oh, wow. I thought you were gonna go for it, man.
Wait, hold on. Let me get my thingies.
Oh my God.
My weenies?
Your weenie? Alright, well, let's finish up this last light, then we have to do his.
Get the thingies going.
Well, then we have to do his bumper and his headlights with this just very quick tool.
What end do I shove it in?
That, you know what?
Yes.
That's not.
Oh yeah.
That's not the question you want to ask here, bro. Alright, guys, let's just get this done already. I think I'm just gonna continue the video. Look, you got it off already. Damn, you're so strong. You're so strong. Ooh, look at your man arms. Oh my God. Ooh, girl, you did good. Oh my God.
You've been very hostile with me today, and I don't appreciate that.
It's because he's
Especially since I have a weapon in my hand now.
It's because, first of all, you're Cuban and threatening him. I'm not going to doubt that you would do it. Second of all, he's hangry.
Yeah, I know. Okay, come on, let's shove this thing in the thing
Can you
and get
hold
the
this
thing
for me?
off. Okay.
Yeah, come on, hold it. Hold it from.
Hold this thing. I help.
See, yeah, look, you're helping me work on the Z. What is this? Oh.
The multiple things needed to take off my tire.
Oh, I'm used to holding two things in my hands. It's all good.
Double tick.
Wow, okay. Well, here, I don't want to hold this.
Come on, we're gonna do it.
No, I'm not going to. How am I getting trapped into, you called it, like how am I getting trapped into doing this right now? Because it's not going to break loose with it. It's not going to break loose in the air. Oh my Lord.
Turn the video off. I need to ask you questions.
Oh my God, okay. What are you doing there,
I
bro?
have to take this off to get some nuts.
Oh, you gotta take it off to get the nuts? Oh. No wonder he's so thick. Danny, what is he? Say it. Whoa, first of all, be nice to my man Cheyenne over here.
Nothing but healthy today.
Right? Yeah, we broke your nuts and shit.
Oh, but I break his nuts every night.
Okay, see, why do things always become rated X with you guys? Like, this is a family channel. Cheyenne, tell him, this is a family
This
channel.
is where my mom watches.
Thank you, bro. This is his mom's favorite YouTube channel, bro. Stop being so gross.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, the blue filters. Damn, those things are thick. Damn, bro. I got this note on camera. Nice. Whoa. Be careful. You back that thing up, bro. You almost bumped me to the moon, bro.
How
Damn.
much horsepower you got?
What, with these headlights?
Yeah.
At least 3. Ooh. Don't put me on to a good time.
Those dogs are freaking out like they've seen it before. You saw that?
Yeah, right? Alright. I said I was gonna wait till we put the. Oh my God, I almost tripped over a headlight. Well, I said I was gonna wait. I'm not gonna wait. I'm just really kind of bored waiting for this guy to stop working so damn slow. Tell me.
Before I get on camera.
Wow, you're already on camera. Wow. So, alright, tell me the black doesn't look better than the silver regular housing. Look.
I mean, I've always like darker headlights. I mean,
Good save, because that could have been a really mean comment on the internet. Good
yeah,
save.
but I mean, you already caught me with picking my wedgies, so.
Okay, well, look, you got this silver. It looks nice.
I mean, yeah.
It literally,
Yo,
this is literally.
wash your car.
Wow.
Wash your car.
Cheyenne.
I want to.
You said you were going to.
This
Yeah,
is
but it's going down.
literally my car almost in the front besides the hood and fenders.
Okay.
You are Nor.
Yeah, but you're slower than me.
But you've been scared to line it up though.
So right now.
With the black housing. Look at this, man. Oh, it looks so much better.
So are you guys gonna race or not?
Are we?
They just called you out on camera.
I'm down.
Let's go on the right now.
Oh, that's right. it's wet outside. But yeah, whatever, man. Look at this, dude. It looks so much better. I need to peel this off. That looks stupid. That looks so stupid. Do you not agree this looks stupid? That black plastic bullshit? I'm gonna take it off now. But dude, that stupid black plastic dip that the previous owner put.
Well, you have to redo it.
I'm not gonna redo it. I'm just gonna leave it silver.
That's ugly.
No, it's not.
You just got black housing, so you're gonna put black or silver.
Yeah, but it looks better. It's
Because they still have silver in there.
yeah. See, matching, dog. Hey, don't even trip, dog. It's cool. All right. Whatever, Nor gangs.
My phone is black, so I don't understand what the problem is.
So is it true that Mustangs are like the Cuban Ferraris?
Yes.
All right, because it has a horse? Whatever, guys. Thank you guys for watching so far. So this was supposed to be just us messing around, polishing headlights, and it ended up being, hey, you just want to trade? And we traded.
Hello.
Hello. But yeah, so if you guys like the video, just make sure you guys like, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. Just make it happen. Thank you, KleenKustoms, for being so dirty. Because of you. Not even him, because of you.
You can't even see the actual owner of KleenKustoms.
You know what? Let me put, you know what? Let me put a, yo! Oh wait, you got the dog stuck on you too? Bro. Hey, you need to put those rats away, bro.
Yo,
okay,
turn the camera
bye. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna put KleenKustoms Instagram and somewhere here on the screen and in the description of the video. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, whose slow car is this? Didn't this one get gapped by oof.
Yeah, I think.
Oof. Bye.